Hello, wanderers! Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your passport to the world's most fascinating places. Here, we take you on a virtual tour across the globe, introducing you to the hidden gems and famous landmarks that make our world so vibrant and diverse. Whether you're an avid traveler or a curious armchair explorer, you're in the right place. Today, we're setting our sights on a state that's known for its lush evergreens, tech giants, and world-famous coffee. Yes, we're talking about Washington State. Nestled in the Pacific Northwest, Washington is a treasure trove of culture, history, and natural beauty waiting to be explored. From its bustling cities to its serene parks, there's something for everyone in this corner of the United States. So buckle up as we journey through the Evergreen State, Washington. Washington, fondly known as the Evergreen State, is a marvel of nature. This moniker didn't come about by accident. The state is a verdant wonderland boasting an abundance of lush green landscapes as far as the eye can see. Its name, the Evergreen State, is a fitting tribute to its endless expanses of dense, unspoiled forests that stay green all year round, thanks to the state's abundant rainfall and moderate climate. But how did it get this nickname? The term Evergreen State was first coined by pioneer and real estate developer Connecticut Conover, who was simply in awe of the state's vast forests of evergreen fir and pine trees. It's a name that has stuck. And today, it perfectly encapsulates Washington's commitment to preserving its natural beauty and its status as a haven for nature lovers from around the globe. Indeed, Washington's charm lies in its evergreen beauty. Did you know? Washington is the only U.S. state named after a president. That's right, it's named after none other than George Washington, the first president of the United States. The decision to name the state after him was a tribute to his significant role in the establishment of the nation. George Washington is a symbol of unity and leadership, a figure who left an indelible mark on the pages of American history. Born in 1732, George Washington played a pivotal role in the American Revolutionary War, leading the Continental Army to victory against the British. Later, as the country's first president, he set many precedents that continue to shape the presidency today. His influence is not just confined to history books or monuments, but echoes in the everyday life of the state that bears his name. From the capital city, Washington, D.C., to the Pacific Northwest state of Washington, his legacy is omnipresent. A state named after a president, Washington carries a rich historical legacy. At the heart of Washington lies its largest city, Seattle. Known for its iconic skyline and vibrant cultural scene, Seattle is more than just a city. It's an experience. With its unique mix of urban charm and natural beauty, Seattle has something for everyone. From the bustling Pike Place market to the stunning views from the Space Needle, the city is a playground for those who seek adventure and discovery. Seattle's cultural significance extends far beyond its borders. Home to renowned companies like Microsoft and Starbucks, the city has made its mark on the global stage. But Seattle's impact isn't just economic. It's a city that fosters creativity, innovation, and diversity, making it a hub for artists, entrepreneurs, and dreamers. Its role in the state is undeniable. As the largest city in Washington, Seattle sets the pace for the rest of the Evergreen State. It's a city where the old meets the new, where tradition meets innovation. Seattle, a city that encapsulates the spirit of Washington. No visit to Seattle is complete without a stop at the Pike Place Market. This bustling hub has been the heart of the city since it first opened its doors in 1907. What started as a small farmer's market has blossomed into a vibrant, multi-level marketplace brimming with a kaleidoscope of goods. The air is always thick with the scent of fresh flowers, ripe fruits, and the mouth-watering aroma of freshly baked pastries. The market is a sensory delight with the clamor of vendors hawking their goods, local musicians strumming their tunes, and the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike. From handmade crafts to vintage books, from fresh seafood to gourmet cheeses, Pike Place Market offers a cornucopia of goods that cater to every taste. And don't forget the bustling array of eateries, where you can sample local cuisines or grab a quick bite. Pike Place Market, a true symbol of Seattle's vibrant culture. Standing tall in Seattle's skyline is the iconic Space Needle. This architectural marvel, soaring over 600 feet into the sky, was unveiled at the World Fair in 1962. It's a testament to the forward-thinking vision of its creators, Edward E. Carlson and John Graham Jr., who dreamt of a futuristic structure that would symbolize the city's innovative spirit. Beyond its striking silhouette, the Space Needle offers an unmatched vantage point. The observation deck, located 520 feet above the ground, gifts visitors with a breathtaking 360-degree view of the Emerald City. From the snow-capped peaks of Mount Rainier to the sparkling waters of Puget Sound, the panorama is nothing short of spectacular. The Space Needle has become more than just a landmark. It's a symbol of Seattle, a beacon drawing people from around the globe, an embodiment of the city's cultural heartbeat. The Space Needle, an emblem of innovation and progress. Did someone say coffee? Welcome to the birthplace of Starbucks. This global phenomenon began right here in Seattle, back in 1971. It's not just about the coffee, though. Starbucks has become an emblem of the Pacific Northwest's innovative spirit and its commitment to quality. It's a testament to how one small company can create a ripple effect across the globe. From Seattle to Singapore, Starbucks represents a taste of Washington wherever it goes. Starbucks, a little piece of Washington in every cup. From coffee to technology, Washington is home to Microsoft. Born in the heart of this state, Microsoft has transformed from a small startup into a tech giant, shaping the digital era with its innovative solutions. Its establishment has turned Washington into a beacon of technological advancement, attracting tech enthusiasts from around the globe. And it's not just about software. Microsoft's influence has spurred growth in numerous sectors, making Washington a vibrant, dynamic, and thriving tech hub. Microsoft making Washington a global tech hub. Washington's skies are filled with more than just birds. The state has been a significant player in the aerospace industry for over a century. It all started with William Boeing, who began his company in a small red barn in Seattle. Fast forward to today, and Boeing has become synonymous with air travel, transforming Washington into an aerospace powerhouse. But it's not just about Boeing. Washington is home to more than 1,200 aerospace-related businesses, employing over 130,000 people. These companies are pushing the boundaries of aviation, developing cutting-edge technologies and innovative designs. From commercial airliners to defense systems, space travel to drone technology, the state's aerospace industry is diverse and forward-thinking. Washington's commitment to aerospace extends beyond industry to education, with several universities offering world-class aerospace engineering programs. This ensures a steady stream of talent, fueling innovation and keeping Washington at the forefront of the aerospace industry. Washington leading the world to the skies. Let's delve into Washington's atomic history at the Hanford Site. Nestled in the southeastern part of the state, this place holds a significant place in the annals of American science. During the heat of the Second World War, the Hanford Site was involved in a top-secret project that would shape the course of history, the Manhattan Project. Here, in the isolation of the Washington desert, scientists and engineers toiled day and night to produce plutonium, a key ingredient in the atomic bomb. The site's B reactor was the first large-scale nuclear reactor in the world, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of adversity. Today, the Hanford Site stands as a monument to a bygone era. While it's no longer producing plutonium, it's now the focus of one of the largest environmental cleanup efforts in history. A visit here is a journey back in time, a glimpse into an era of secrets, science, and world-changing discoveries. The Hanford Site, a testament to Washington's scientific heritage. Our journey ends on a high note at the stunning Mount Rainier National Park. Towering over Washington, Mount Rainier is a colossal stratovolcano, cloaked in glaciers and shrouded in clouds. This natural masterpiece paints a picture of raw beauty, with wildflower meadows at its feet and a pristine alpine wilderness at its crown. Mount Rainier National Park is a haven for wildlife. From black bears to marmots, the park is teeming with creatures great and small, each playing their part in this vibrant ecosystem. And let's not forget the birdwatcher's paradise, with over 140 species of birds calling this park home. For the adventurous, the park offers a plethora of recreational activities. Hiking trails wind through ancient forests, leading to breathtaking vistas. Winter brings with it the thrill of snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. And for the truly daring, there's the challenge of scaling the mighty Rainier itself, Mount Rainier National Park, where Washington's beauty peaks. That's a wrap for our adventure through Washington with Traveling Kangaroo. We've journeyed through the Evergreen State, admired the legacy of George Washington, and explored the bustling city of Seattle. We've seen the lively hustle and bustle of Pike Place Market and gazed upon the towering Space Needle. We've indulged in a cup of Starbucks coffee and appreciated the technological marvels of Microsoft. We've flown high with Washington's aerospace industry and delved into the historical significance of the Hanford Site. Lastly, we've marveled at the natural beauty of Mount Rainier National Park. Each of these elements paints a unique picture of Washington, a state filled with a rich history, vibrant culture, and awe-inspiring landscapes. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo, follow our social media accounts, and visit travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.